As I planned, there is no breakfast today. Just Earl Grey tea without sweetener. It will extend my non-eating window to 14 hours approximately. That's all. For lunch I'm gonna make basically tacos with, what do you call that green thing that I make? Guacamole. So you need parchment paper. If you want cheese melt more evenly, use disposable paper plate instead of porcelain. Going to microwave for 2 minutes. You see I made them too big and they didn't burn evenly. Taco shells should be small if you make them from cheese. Don't repeat my mistakes. It's hassle to pick the right moment and bend them. They kind of saggy in some places. So make them small. If you're gonna make more than one, then use measurement cup, maybe half cup or something, quarter cup, and then you get perfect shells every time. So I made one, and I'm reusing the same parchment paper. Don't use any other paper, use parchment paper. And I'm gonna make second shell in microwave. This one will take 2 minutes 15 seconds. As they cool, they harden, so that's why I use metal sheet tray. I'll let the oil absorb back into the cheese, and it does. Alright, now you can shape them. I use napkins just because it's very hot on touch. Yeah, smaller would work better. So the metal thing will absorb some heat and make them harder, of course. Now I'm gonna warm up some chicken. It's baked chicken legs, and pull it apart when it's warm to use for tacos. This one looks fine already. And you can throw away the parchment paper now. I use that tweezers, 12-inch tweezers a lot. You see how convenient for anything. Instead of kitchen tongs, more precision. Stainless steel. This is lettuce for tacos. Chicken legs are warm now. That's how I imagine tacos should go. Chicken on the bottom. And also I already made that green thing, forgot. Guacamole. So it's ready. So hopefully it seal up the chicken, prevent it from flying out. Lettuce. It's also sealed by guacamole. Little bit of sour cream. And I will topple it with cheese. Oh, hold on. Hot salsa, of course. Now I can topple it with cheese finally. Alright. I have a little bit of guacamole left. And I just scoop leftover of guacamole because it's good. Buy it throw away. And also I have my marinated mushrooms in refrigerator, so I'm gonna use them as antipasto on the side. Gonna add them occasionally to meals till they last. Should have been a few slices of lime, but this one works for me. Low carb tacos with guacamole like this inside. Sour cream lettuce, hot salsa, chicken on the bottom, marinated mushrooms, and there's the lunch plate. For dinner I'm gonna make an experiment, make 3 sandwiches from different flours. This is flax seed flour. This recipe, 1 egg takes 1 spoon. I don't know why I put 2 spoons. Messes up the recipe. 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of baking powder, that's all. And second recipe I'll make with psyllium husk, which is nothing but the sawdust, nothing special. And you see how I made them? Dry ingredients I mixed, and then I melt some butter. So this is coconut oil. Going to microwave until it melts, about half a minute. So dry ingredients is just flour and baking powder. So I add 1 egg to the butter and mix everything. Now I can go to the microwave for 2 minutes. And I will start working on psyllium powder muffin with the same recipe. And I also put 2 tablespoons instead of 1, and I regret it. It absorbs a lot. Almond flour is more forgiving. You can go more flour. It doesn't absorb all the liquid and stay juicy. But I hear that almond flour, it's not very healthy when you bake with it. So it's a little bit toxic when you put it in microwave. That's why I switched to 3 other options. Although almond flour always gives nice looking muffins, I'm not gonna do it anymore. This is baking powder. Mix dry ingredients. Alright, that one I made the same recipe with 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is coconut flour, the same recipe. Where is that baking powder? Nutiva brand, that's where I get coconut oil as well. Everything Nutiva from Philippines. Alright, psyllium husk muffin is out of the microwave. And now the last one, the same recipe. But in two last one I added one Truvia sweetener each. And a coconut flour I didn't make 2 tablespoons, I think I'll make 1 because I knew it was super absorbent. Alright, let's check how it looks. What do you think? Coconut flour looks amazing. So I'm gonna make 3 sandwiches with ham and little bit of butter and mayonnaise and try them all. Psyllium husk is just sawdust, I think. That's how it tastes. But texture is fine. And finally, coconut flour muffin. See little bits of eggs. This is mayonnaise. Keto. Gotta improve everything with little bit of fat. There's little bits of butter, you see on the right? Alright. Let's test them. Flax seed flour, little bit soggy, strangely enough. Psyllium husk, dry. Yeah, I need not one, only 1 teaspoon next time of flour. Coconut is a winner, but it's little bit too soft. So what I'm thinking is to add psyllium husk to coconut flour next time. Number 3, flaxseed, psyllium husk and coconut, the same recipe.